Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore advanced recurrent neural network architectures. Specifically, we will look at long short-term memory networks, or LSTMs, and gated recurrent units, or GRUs. These are the engines that power many generative AI applications by effectively handling long sequences of data. So, why do we need them? Standard recurrent neural networks have a major flaw known as the vanishing gradient problem. As information passes through time, it fades away. Imagine trying to remember the first word of a long book by the time you reach the last page. Standard RNNs struggle to connect early information to later predictions. Enter the LSTM, created to solve this exact problem. The key innovation here is the memory cell. Unlike a standard RNN, which just passes a hidden state, the LSTM maintains a separate internal cell state. This acts like a protected vault, keeping important information safe over long periods of time. Think of the cell state as a conveyor belt. It runs straight down the entire chain of the network. Information can flow along this highway with very little interaction, meaning it doesn't get distorted or lost easily. The network can read from it, write to it, or let it pass unchanged. To manage this cell state, LSTMs use three distinct gates. First, the forget gate decides what to throw away. Second, the input gate decides what new information is worth storing. And finally, the output gate determines what part of the cell state should be output as the hidden state for the next step. Now let's talk about the gated recurrent unit, or GRU. Introduced later, it is a simplified version of the LSTM. It combines the forget and input gates into a single update gate. It also merges the cell state and hidden state. This makes it a bit more streamlined. So which one should you use? The LSTM offers granular control with its three gates and separate cell state, making it powerful for very complex tasks. The GRU, with only two gates, is computationally more efficient and faster to train. Often, their performance is similar, but GRUs are great when resources are limited. These networks are everywhere. In text generation, they predict the next word to write stories or code. In music, they generate melodies that maintain a consistent rhythm. They are also used for forecasting stock prices and recognizing speech patterns over time. To wrap up, remember that standard RNNs struggle with long memory. LSTMs solve this with a protected cell state and three gates. GRUs provide a faster, simpler alternative. Both architectures are fundamental building blocks in the world of deep learning and generative AI.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.